You have created your map and set all the options on your layers and your themes. The time has come to publish your map on the web. On the map top bar, click the Publish Options button. In the dialog, enter the map title and map identifier. By default, all the map files will be published in the following output folder. The output folder contains all the files required to integrate the map to your own web server. Click Publish. Your web browser window opens by loading the CartoVista viewer, and your map is now published. If you need to view the map again after closing the browser, just click the Open HTML button on the top bar. If you are using the CartoVista server, the Publish Options window allows you to publish directly to the portal. In the Type drop-down list, select CartoVista Server Web Portal. Choose the web portal to which you have access. When you click Publish, your web browser will load the homepage of your CartoVista server. You can then associate keywords, grant consultation, or modification permissions, and add your map. Promise held, publishing on the web has never been easier than CartoVista.